My name's Bruce Davidson and I'm the president here at the Burrell Creek Youth and Community Association. And this is Burrell Creek Hall. Today we're having the battery and a solar system installed. We applied for and received a grant from Essential Energy, which means we could afford to put this system in. The hall started to build its resilience after the 2019-2020 bushfires. This is one of the last pieces of the puzzle to go ahead by putting the battery and the panels on to give us that reliable essential power. It's somewhere where people can come when there's loss of power, and they can come to the hall and they can charge batteries, they can charge their phones, they can use the internet if they want. It becomes an essential hub where we can get accurate and up-to-date information from the emergency services. It's a great social hub. We do lots of things here at Burrell Creek. Today we've actually got an exercise class happening inside. We have card nights. We've just had a community luncheon. Everyone brings a plate to share. You see a face, you give a wave, catch up, have a chat, talk to your neighbours and talk to other people you may not see all that often. It'll make a huge difference to the hall and community. We're very grateful for such opportunities.